So everyone, a very good evening to all of you. Now I am going to welcome to both persons whose day is today and who has very excellent day today. So both of them will be here within 5 or 6 seconds because we are going to celebrate their birthday here. So they are none other than, first of all, I would like to welcome, please put your hands together and welcome Miss Ankita Sahu. Please clap. Please. And second, there is a boy, by the way, guys, and he is none other than Mr. Shubham Sahu. Please big round of applause for him. Wow, you are also looking beautiful. No, you are looking handsome, and she is looking more and more and more beautiful. No matter how many times I will appreciate about her, that is not enough. So guys, be with us till the end of the video and wish this girl and boy their birthday, please. So now, ladies and gentlemen, together let's celebrate them by wishing for a long life. Now let's start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. That's finished. Okay, that's enough. Okay, so now. So guys, I'm so sorry that here we are not going to distribute anything because already we have distributed chocolates. So that I'm showing you here. Just bring that chocolates. So guys, we have 4 chocolates. They both have distributed this among students. So I have not had a taste of this, but I hope that this chocolate have very good taste. So let's see, after eating that I will tell you the taste of this chocolate. So, and if you want to get chocolates from them, then watch this video and celebrate them, and do comment, guys, because if you comment, then only they can know that you celebrate them, and they will be over the moon because some other people are celebrating them. Okay, so now we are very curious to hear something from you, how you are feeling, and because this day is different from other day, because on this day you are born, so you must be happy. If I beat you, then also you have to smile, no matter a person what says, but you have to keep a smile, because smiling is the answer of every answer. Smiling is the way of reducing the pain and problems. Alright, so please, you take one microphone and you take one. Please, first of all, you be happy, be more confident, because when we are too much happy, we become more confident. Greet to people and share your feelings only. I'm not going to ask you any question, by the way. Please.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Today I am very happy and some time I sad also because I do not celebrate my birthday, and when I will get Navodaya, then my father tell me you not I will give you a surprise that
that will be very massive.
That will very massive.
Wow.
That, and I wait that day. That is why we do not mean.
I am not happy somewhere. Ladies and gentlemen, he is happy, but he is not happy somewhere because his father has told him that after getting success, after getting admission in Navodaya, his father will give him a big surprise, a massive surprise. On that day, he will be very much happy. So let's see when, and we pray that, we wish that he will definitely get that Navodaya. Okay, now, Miss Beauty, please share your feelings.
Okay, good evening, guys.
Yeah, very good evening to you.
And today I am so happy. I cannot tell how many I am happy.
How much
I am happy. And today I want to share with you.
Listen. I want to call your friend as well here. So please Miss Priya Behera, please come here and join
Yeah,
with her.
she is my friend.
Wow.
In this institute, she is my best friend.
Wow,
Every
let's
time,
welcome. Please welcome her.
please, Miss Priya Behera, come here.
Come with me and
Come
join
with me and join with me.
Please, Miss Priya Behera, where are you? Please, I'm not finding you. Please come here.
Oh, hello, Ankita. Hi. Happy birthday to you. Thank you. And you also. Happy birthday, Mr. Subham Sahu. How are you feeling? Today I cannot tell how I feel. That's I want to share with you. Today I feel and I cannot tell how much happy we today. I want to share with this happiness. First of all, I feel so I cannot tell, so happy, and my parents give me God bless. Then I feel happy and I distribute chocolate and I feel so happy, and children also happy. Then that I see that's why I feel so happy. I cannot tell.
So now, ladies and gentlemen, they are good singers as well. They both. That is why I have called her on the stage. Now they both are going to sing a beautiful song. That song will definitely attract. That song will definitely make you feel happy. You can't even blink your eyes. You can't even stop your ear not to hear. Be here and watch here and enjoy by listening to song. Now, are you both ready? Means any type of song, English, Hindi.
1, 2, 3, start. देखो ना जुल्फों से, कैसे जुल्फों से तेरी चुपती प्यारी प्यारी सी मुस्कानें हैं. और that's all.
Okay.